Hey guys, I'm Emiliano, also known as Poison Oakland. As a drag queen, I love makeup, but sometimes I want a bit of a more natural look instead of a full beat glam face. So that's how I came about KBeauty. But it was hard to follow when all of these beauty gurus didn't look like me. That's when I stumbled on MissDarcie, a YouTuber who does KBeauty for the rest of us. Whether you've never heard of KBeauty or you just have some questions, then stay tuned, because I got Darcy to break it down for you.
Hey guys, my name is Darcy and I am from the channel MissDarcie, and it is a KBeauty channel. So basically I talk a lot about Korean beauty and skincare, and I try it on my dark skin and I figure out if I like it or not.
So Darcy's been on YouTube for a long time now, but it made me wonder if she's always been into KBeauty.
So it started with my love of makeup in general. At first, I didn't really wear a lot of makeup, but then makeup started to become like a really big trend on social media, and I got into it that way. And then through just like my general love of makeup, I started finding out about Korean brands and how Koreans do their makeup differently, and I really liked that. So that's how I started getting into KBeauty specifically.
Right now, we're in the era of Fenty Beauty and the 50 shade range. Fenty even made $100 million in the first 40 days of sales, just because they lived up to their inclusive marketing.
There are some people who look at K-beauty and they look at K-pop idols and they associate K-beauty with whiteness. So what would you say to someone who has that mentality?
I would say that's not necessarily the case. If you look at K-pop, there are plenty of K-pop stars that do have darker complexions and embrace them. So it's really like starting to expand with the diversity in KBeauty, and it's becoming like an international thing now. So I say as they expand more into North America, it's going to be a lot more inclusive.
Just like Darcy said, K-beauty is really changing. Korean brands are expanding their shade ranges, so there's room for everyone to enjoy it. I still wanted to know if Darcy has faced any backlash from Koreans who might see her as an outsider.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I had a lot of hate on a particular video. It's a video of me trying a Korean makeup tutorial, and there were a lot of Koreans who did really like the video, but there were some Koreans that really hated the video. And I mean, I feel like at the end of the day, it's kind of like a cultural difference, but I feel like makeup should be for everybody, and that it shouldn't be just for a particular type of person.
Thank you for talking to me today.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great talking to you.
I love talking to Darcy. She gave me so much insight about what K-beauty is really all about. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on K-beauty? Do you see yourself accentuating your natural beauty in this way? Let us know in the comments below.